Where does the coronavirus come from? The world has recently been struck with a pandemic known as the coronavirus, but more accurately, it's been hit with COVID-19, also known as SARS-CoV-2. Unlike SARS-CoV-2, coronaviruses have been around for a while. In 1965, Terrell and Bonin found a virus known as B814. Around the same time, Premier and Prognol found another virus called 229E, and McIntosh and his team found a virus called OC43. These viruses were unlike any viruses at the time. This caused the creation of a new group of viruses called the coronavirus. This information then prompts another question. Why haven't we been exposed to the coronavirus before? The answer is we have. Most common colds are due to a coronavirus. There are many types of coronaviruses that can live in many types of hosts. Next question is, if we've been exposed, why aren't we immune? In order to answer this question, we must first learn a few things about viruses. Viruses mutate as they replicate within a host cell, creating thousands of new viruses that spread through the population. Through natural selection, the strongest viruses survive and create an epidemic. They have small changes through mutation and big changes through recombination.
Mutation occurs when an error is included in the viral genome.
A mutation can occur generally in three ways. A mutagen can alter the chemical or physical composition, a change can occur in the base pair or nuclear base, or an enzyme can make an error. Mutations can be classified into two groups, spontaneous and induced. Spontaneous mutations occur naturally from errors in coding during replication. Induced mutations come from outside influences like environmental factors. Recombination occurs when co-infecting viruses exchange genetic information, creating a new virus. There are mainly two types of recombination: independent assortment and incomplete linked genes. Independent assortment happens when a virus with a multipartite genome exchanges segments during replication. Incomplete linked genes occur by means of a break rejoin mechanism. Mutations can help viruses reinfect people who have already had this virus. This is why we get a new flu shot every year. An odd characteristic of coronaviruses is they have the proofreading capability, or the error correcting process. It's like checking your work on a test. While the virus is replicating and an error occurs, it will be removed and replaced right away before continuing. What makes this an odd characteristic is proofreading is usually in DNA viruses and uncommon in RNA viruses. This new coronavirus was probably created through recombination in one of the ways previously discussed, but COVID-19 is always undergoing mutation, constantly changing the virus. Scientists think the virus originated in a bat, then passed on to a pangolin, and finally to a human. This is similar to a game of telephone. As the virus passes from host to host, the virus becomes more adaptive. It is not uncommon for viruses to jump from animals to humans. In fact, this is the reason for most outbreaks.